In this podcast series, we will explore how to turn off and disconnect from the chaos, confusion, and insanity amid a culture driven by emotional rage and opinions. How to think, find peace, the objective truth, and mental clarity in, with, and through submitting to the authority of sound reason. Live with integrity, honesty, authenticity, dignity, and respect in a culture that profits from your distraction, confusion, fear, and doubt. Explore the process of becoming a self-aware, authentic person through timeless wisdom and honesty. Ask the hard questions and discuss ideas that may not be accepted or liked, and often uncomfortable. Learn and grow as a person, how to think and be you, and live without the chaos, confusion, and insanity while the world rages. If you are tired of feeling lost, overwhelmed, manipulated, mentally exhausted, and not at peace, you are in the right place. Welcome to A Former Hermit and a Podcast. On our journey together, we will turn off the chaos, confusion, and insanity, find clarity and peace. To be authentic, hear your own thoughts, and be you.